Hi everybody, Eric Long here with Black Diamond Speed Shop. We're here today to show you one of our newest latest products. It's for the ArctiCat 2018 and newer long track models that have the longer chain case in it. It's our Chaincase protectors. We call it our Pro-TCP for Total Chaincase Protection. It's machined aluminum pieces. And the problem that the longer chain cases have now is since the chain case sticks below the belly pan so much further, there's greater chance of a rock hitting it, causing impact and destroying the chain case, which has happened quite often. So what we've done is developed the chain case protector. One will fit in the back side of the factory plastic cover, and then another one will fit on the outside of the chain case cover, giving it just total coverage on the bottom side of the chain case. So we're going to go through the steps of doing a full install on this new product. So it comes in the whole kit for the chain case protector. We've got the outer chain case protector, the inner chain case protector, the longer hardware that's needed, and then we do supply you a new longer drill bit because we do have to drill out the threads of the 4 bottom holes of the chain case, because we're now threading the bolts into the back side of the chain case protector to squeeze everything together instead. So you can see we got a brand new 2020 ArctiCat Alpha, and to start the process we need to remove the 4 bottom bolts of the chain case there. So you see it uses a magnet on the back side to just catch them. But all 4 bolts are just accessible through the holes of the stock cover, the plastic cover. See, I was using that magnet stick to just grab a hold of the bolts and get them out easily. So you can see during this installation process, the main thing is to have the snowmobile up on the left-hand side so that the chain case is facing upward. The muffler is removed so you can access these lower bolts, and that. You can see that back bolt there, that's one we just loosened up and now we're removing. Alright, using the supplied longer 1/4 inch drill bit, we're going to drill out the 4 bottom bolt holes that have been where the bolts removed. You can see there's the first one, second, third, and 4th one. And basically just gently work your way down through the threads, and then once you're through the chain case, you'll actually go all the way through the plastic cover on the back side here. So there's your first hole, and you'll just repeat that process for the next 3 bolt holes. Now that the chain case bolts are drilled out, we'll start installing the chain case protector on there. The inner cover goes on first using the factory gold chain case bolt. That'll get installed in the front here to hold the back chain case protector into place. So you just put the bolt through the hole and then just as finger tightening up the nut currently. So now that that bolt is in place, you just want to finger tighten it because you still want to be able to move this lower case around in order to start the other bolts. So the next step is to remove the chain case oil drain plug at the bottom. It takes as a T40 Torx. Obviously, since the sled's on the side, no oil will drain out the bottom, of course. Alright, the next step is to take the outer chain case protector and slide it in. You can see I'll slide it in through the footwell area, which is why we had to remove the lower chain case bolt, just so it will slip by. And then once everything's set in place, we'll begin putting the new longer bolts, which will thread into the back side right into the inner chain case protector. So you can see the outer chain case protectors in place. Kind of looking through the holes here. You know, just take a visual, make sure the holes are lining up. Make sure you push down on it, probably with like a screwdriver or your Torx wrench. Just make sure it's down all the way. And then you can see we actually have started the first hole on the left side here, and then we'll start to work our way over to the next ones. So as you're tightening it up, make sure you don't tighten the bolts up all the way until all of the bolts are in place. And then you do your final tightening after they're all started. Alright, so you can see that the chain case protector has been fully installed. The screws are in it tight. You can see the bolts in there. After that is done, then we will reinstall the drain plug. And after the drain plug is reinstalled, you're ready to roll. You can put your muffler back on, tip the sled back on its side, and now your chain case is fully protected.